Also, check this out. This is what I'm wearing. That's hot, right? It's because it's hot too. It's burning hot. I don't have anything else to wear, so don't judge me. I look good. That's all that matters. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so let's be honest here. I kind of came home expecting there was going to be a lot of room and time for me to work on my car. But as you guys can kind of see, take a look at that. So obviously there's no room at all for me to work on my car. So I'm going to be spending the next probably 2-3 hours cleaning the side. Hope I can put the FRS in there. But the Porsche right now, we're doing some kind of fuel cleanse. So that's not good. Also, I forgot to show you guys, but check this out. Might be kind of dark in here. Check this out. It's my tins. It's insane. After 5 years, I finally will be lowering my car. So for those who have been following me since I got my car, it's finally here. It's finally here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. There's one more thing I forgot to show you guys, but definitely check this out. This is my sister's Cooper S. We kind of did a little bit of customization, and look at that now. That is nice. It took about 6 hours to kind of do the stripes and the plastic tip rims, and it just looks amazing, guys. I love it. It's so awesome. But I'll probably do a more full review for you guys a different day. But right now, I just don't have the time. But once again, if you're really into Coopers, definitely let me know. Definitely we'll be doing more on Coopers. And also, obviously, the Porsche and the Mustang GT. And I'll keep you guys up to date. Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning the garage. Look at this, it's so much better, but it's not really that good. It's just too much crap. What I'm planning to do is I might just pull the FRS right here. Just because this is just so much crap. You see all this, it's a lot of work and it's hot. It's pretty good. Oh yeah, it's really good.
Maybe I stole this from Woody Guthrie. Freedom for me is waking up in the morning.
That's right guys, so it's really frustrating right now. The last time I went to get my tires rotated, I gave them my key for my lug nuts, but they completely left it. They didn't give it back and I forgot to check. So now I don't have a key for my lug nuts, so I'm going back to Discount Tires today to hopefully get a key for the lug nuts. I don't know how much they're gonna charge me, but it's just really frustrating right now. As you guys can kind of see, it's these kind of bolts right here, the zoom. Yeah, so I don't have a key for that. We're gonna go to Discount Tires to hopefully get a new key. Pretty awesome, guys. So we just got it. It didn't charge us, so we got free. That's so awesome. That's all, guys. So we just finished taking out the wheels, as you guys can see here. So we're just finally taking off all the brake lines, taking off everything before we take out the old springs. We did get a compression kit, so definitely if you're planning to do this, definitely get a compression kit too. It's just a lot safer. That's what I do recommend. So we're gonna keep working on the car. Alright guys, so right now we got those two big bolts right there. So we're gonna use this I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna use this breaker bar to hopefully break it. We're just gonna keep you guys up to date. Alright, look at this, boys. Okay, so we're just gonna have to remove the top hat now, and then the spring should come off, and then we're gonna use the spring compressor to make magic happen. Alright, look at this, boys. That's the strut. Alright guys, if you do this, be careful, it's really dangerous. Alright guys, so we just got the strut off, and we're attaching the top to the front. We went through a lot of trouble to get that off. So what we did is we actually had trouble with taking the bolt off because this part kept spinning. So we were just kind of like, fuck it, and we just used this wrench to grab on to that, kind of like this. To grab it on, we were finally able to twist this part. That's where we are. That took us longer than necessary, but we'll see how that goes. Rear tires are out. Just installing the rear one, and it should be a lot quicker, should be a lot easier than what we've been doing. Front looks amazing, guys. I'm really excited. Hey, what's up you guys? So it's just really humid outside, so my lens keeps fogging up. I wanted to kind of update you guys on FRS. It's been about a week now. Jeez, it's so humid outside. So it's been about 2 weeks since I dropped the FRS. I haven't really made a video kind of showing you guys yet, but I can't really even stick a finger inside. Well, maybe. There's a lot of construction going on. So guys, there's too much construction going on, so I'm just gonna show you guys the car with no audio. This is how it looks like right now. In a future day, I'll have more of a proper video kind of showing you guys how it looks like, but right now I just really can't. I'm actually running to the library to edit this video that you're watching right now, and obviously there's just too much construction going on. Probably gonna end this video here. It's been about a week since I dropped it, so this is probably where it's gonna drop the most. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.